are power outlets of the Spirit. You are a power outlet that the devil wants to plug into to get energy, to get power from. Power is important because when you give away your power, you are left feeling weak, drained, empty, helpless. But when you have power, you are strong, you are energized, you are filled up and ready to go. This is why it's important for you not to give away your power. See, when God created us, He created us and put His power in us. That power is everything. That power is so important and valuable that the devil wants to take away your power. So when you give away your power, you are no longer in control. Think about that. Whomever it is that has your power has control over you. Whatever it is that has your power has control over you.